Ayan guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yan, maaga tayo naka-ready ngayon at gugora. Kasi meron tayong racket. 2 days lang naman yung racket today. And good for 3 hours. And take note, sosyali ng aking racket ngayon. Kailangan doon naka-formal. Good luck to me. Ito lang yung pinaka-formal ko. Bonggang-bongga na yan, pinakamalakas na yan. So, more update later. On the way na ako. Ayan guys, malapit na sa metro. Update ko lang nga pala kayo, ito yung night market. Ilang araw na lang, magkasara na yan sila. Kaya medyo malungkot na naman ang ating paligid. Hahanap na naman tayo ng ibang place para makapag-unwind, relax. Siyempre, makapag-food trip. So, ito tayo sa metro. Yan, metro station. So, see natin kung saan ako pupunta. Take you later. Okay guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa GGCO Metro Station. So by this time, waiting ako sa aking organizer boss. Yan. Sabi nga, be on time, be punctual, pero siya late. So mapupulbos ko to later. Ayan na siya. Dumating din. Welcome home. Ayan na, eto na, dumating na. Pinakikilala ko ulit sa inyo ang babaeng may sariling mundo. Magkasama na naman ko. Ito na, di ba? Kalang pa kita makikilala eh. Walang filter yan, natural yan. Masyado kang judgmental. Ayan, maglalakad na naman kami. Tapos, ano na naman problema mo? Magkakape ka. O sige, magkape ka muna. Ayan, magkakape daw muna siya. Ayan. Nag-order na kami ng Americano. Gusto Americano coffee daw. Kaliit na yan, Americano pa ang bag. Ayan guys, on the way na kami sa racket. O, di ba? Yung babaeng may sariling mundo. May mala, kumakaway siya. Hindi siya naglalakad mag-isa.
Ate, ang ganda ko dyan.
O, di ba? Ito doon, bumilid na siya. Ay, mumurahin lang to. Huwag ka na ano dyan. Kaya punta kami, maghahanap kami ng taxi daw. Taxi, yayamanin. Magka-taxi kami. Ayun, may taxi. Oo. So, punta muna kami sa aming location. Ayan, nakatakwa kami. Oh, di ba? Chumichika na yung isa. Oh.
You good, no good?
This one is there.
Yeah, correct.
So just I will drop on.
Kaloka. Pag sa GC, kung makapag-English, wagas. Tapos ngayon, pagkausap kong driver Telegram. Kaloka ka. Bonggang-bongga ka. Labas mo may nalalaman ka pag idiomatic dyan. Tapos yung pala, barok din pala yung English mo nilalabas dito. Labas mo yung ano mo.
Ano?
British accent mo.
Honestly, I said so.
Biglang nahiya eh.
It's just a piece of steak,
On the way
you know?
na kami.
I said,
Ganit lang kabayo yung trap. Okay, we're now here in Le Méridien Hotel. Ayan na, bumababa na si Madam. Okay, we're here now. So, papasok na kami. Ayan, this is the Le Méridien Hotel.
Falcon.
So, we were here. Ayan. Ayan, nasaan ka na, Madam? Tara na. Ayan, ito na kami sa loob ng hotel. Ayan. This is the Meridian, Le Meridian. Parang nakarating na yata ako dito. Not sure. Alam mo na madam, lalabas na tayo sa glass door. And ayan, Turkey. Ito yan. This is a med show, Turkey. Falcon Ballroom 1 and 2. Let's find it. Ayan, ito kami sa labas. Hanapin namin yung Falcon Ballroom 1 2. Okay. Ayan, pupunta na kami. Hinahanap na. Diba? Diba? Ito na yung aming Dubai Health Tourism Expo. Yan. Ito yun siya. Guys. Okay, ayan. Kompleto na ang team. Actually, hindi pa naman kompleto. Ayan na sila. Ayan. Kompleto na sila. Okay. Hi guys. Ayan. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan.
Madam, pwede pa.
So ayan guys, nag-attendance lang ang team para makapag-start na sa loob kasi 15 minutes to go. We-start na ang conference. Ayan, see you later. Ayan, nagkita-kita, long time no see, di ba?
Teka lang. Uy, pasok na daw tayo.
Nag-meet na naman ang isang raketeros.
Hi.
May kulang pang isa, may padating. Preto na ang grupo.
Si Chanda, yung lagi kong...
Hi Chanda! Ayan, welcome to my vlog. Di ba vlog?
Kilala mo to?
Hello, ayan, ito pa. Hello, Mama Terry. Diba? Maraming Pinoy ngayon na nakasama sa racket namin ngayon.
Itag mo kami dyan. Yung guest.
Okay, registration time.
Ay. Nag-in.
We're in na sa loob. Conference. So, dito pa kami nakapila, hanap pa. Okay, another racketeras in the house. Long time no see, sis. Diba kung nakukumpleto sana kung nakasama lahat. Kilikili ko pa. Hiyang. Okay. Ayan, ang lahat ng team.
Saan doon sir? Sa pagkain daw? Service pa.
just promote your clinic and tell me some services that you have. Okay, you can tell us about the clinic and the services that you have.
Yeah, actually we have dental service. We are based in Istanbul. This is one of the best clinics in Istanbul.
Okay.
So we're doing everything you want, like implants, crown, yeah. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
If you
So
have any
guys, this is the
questions-
clinic, SNY Clinic, and it's based in Istanbul. And they have a lot of services like implant treatment, smile design, full personal implant. Yeah, they have that one. You can check it out from Istanbul. From those who's guys is staying in Istanbul, you can visit this clinic and they can give you some details and idea. Welcome. Thank you also. Okay guys, we're now inquiring about this clinic named Curative Health Tour. Yes, this one. So we have to inquire about some services that they have.
Ito na yung skull.
Oo.
Ayan.
Parts of our
Dito.
back, the ribs, the hips.
Ibang level siguro ng ano tayo.
Mm.
Nurse. This nurse goes to arm. This nurse inside, and this nurse goes to leg. And this nurse urinary system, anus and perineum.
So which part of these bones is really like the sensitive one?
Very.
Everywhere. So but for us, like we're normal, right, human. So for us, we sometimes we move like we don't have idea, like I mean you're not intentionally, and then it's very sensitive or dangerous to have the cracks or the fracture.
Ikaw kasi spinal din ako problems.
Cervical bones J1, C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Uh-huh.
5, 6, 6, 7 herniated disc is mostly, and lumbar L4, L5, L5, S1 is mostly herniated. Here is hernia disc. Same this.
Oh, like that.
Then that is the
And pressure the nerve and leg pain.
Oh, so you mean to say this one is the only place if damage more areas
Yeah.
are
pain in the
affected?
legs.
Oh, okay.
So how can we prevent that one? How can we prevent that that one? That
So
problem?
firstly, rest
Rest.
and
massage.
exercise, massage. If nothing, I perform a needle intrathecal ozone gas injection and shrinks the herniated disc.
And back to normal.
Sometimes I perform PRP for here, radio frequency treatments, epidural injections, mostly, and shrinks the herniated and no pain. In 20 or 12 minutes, no surgery, local anesthesia. After the treatment, you
Oh,
will
back to normal.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Okay, then.
I prefer 1 day rest only.
One day rest.
Because,
Yeah.
if there are any problem, herniated disc.
Okay guys, nakapag-ikot-ikot na kami, nag-interview. Ayan. Mukha kaming negosyante. Ayan. Ikot na namin lahat, nakapag-interview na kami. Ayan, snack time guys, snack time. May mga food silang available. Ayan, pili lang. Let's eat. O, ayan o, picture na kita dyan o. O, isa-isa lang ha, ang damihan. O, yung hindi ko kilala, huwag mo kukunin ha.
Chicken tikka.
Ayoko yan. Ito lang ako. Yung donut na lang na may chocolate. Siyempre, ganun mo naman. Love mo naman ako eh.
Mamaya hindi makakainin. Pineapple din sa'yo?
Oo. Ayan, pineapple juice lang kami.
Ako ni mo pineapple.
Saan tayo? simpleng racket. Ayan. Uwian na kami. Dati na nakasama. Ayan, so we meet again guys. Ayan.
Tara, maiiwan ako doon.
See you next racket.
Bye-bye.
Sige. Kaway-kaway para makita sa vlog ko. Ayan o. Hello.
Hello.
Bye. Till next time.